And welcome, everybody, to our meteorology segment here at the Smash News Network, Least Busted David News. I'd invite you all to Mensa, Make Earth Not Suck Again. And we've got landfall happening here on Madagascar. So this is going to be a fairly predictable system here. There is a tropical cyclone bearing down on the Isle of Madagascar's eastern shores. So what we're looking at here is sea surface temperature, and you can see a homogeneously warm sea surface there. Let's get back to the normal stuff we view. Check out the surface winds. There you go. And how high can we go? Quite high here. At least 82 miles per hour. So expecting some impact there from that. It's just been kind of hanging out by the coast, probably causing storm surge and so on. And let's show what we normally show on our meteorology segments. The surface winds of the western world. There you go. There are those. Some very strong winds there in between Greenland and Iceland. Please be careful, Vikings on open-top longboats rowing across that area. Be careful, Vikings, my colleagues. Next, the jet streams of the west. Huge divergence there over the Atlantic Ocean. It looks like some S-shaped bends there over the Pacific as well. A powerful upper level low here off the coast of Africa. Next, the jet streams of the east. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. If you know anybody from China or Japan or Korea, China, make sure you share our videos in China, okay? If you're able to see our videos in China, make sure you leave us a comment from China. A comment made in China, okay? Quite chaotic jet streams here over Australia. Look at the huge bends, some cold air being driven into southern Australia. Some Antarctican air making its way and making for cold days in places like Tasmania, but especially southern Australia. Check out that northern jet stream flow there. It's a huge S-shaped bend. The jet stream. Shout out to our viewers from under, and I mean from under the equator. Powerful cyclonic system here south of Kamchatka and the Aleutian Islands. In the northern hemisphere, those are the surface winds of that side of the planet. Let's blast through some more meteorology stuff. And Tropical Tidbits is down for the count. So no forecast for that. And we've got some ice storms currently striking the U.S. So large portions of Iowa, Wisconsin, Michigan, parts of Canada, areas around the Great Lakes, showing some ice. So this is our precipitation type. It's showing rain in blue, snow in white. Also got some ice pellets falling there, but most importantly, freezing rain, which is very unfortunate. Let's show the 3-day forecast. We'll just let this advance here. This is windy.com's European forecast model, and you can see a bunch of ice here. We've got some ice storm warnings on the weather.gov site, then moving into Canada, into tomorrow. And then another ice storm forming here in Texas and Oklahoma and Arkansas and Missouri and southern Illinois and Kentucky and Indiana and Ohio. So a bunch of ice here, a pretty horrendous ice storm there forming. And it's going to go on for like a solid day, according to the European forecast model. Let's pause this about 3 days in. And we're expecting some ice here in Pennsylvania as well, according to the European forecast model. Yowzers. Please don't go driving in freezing rain. Maybe if you have studded tires. Otherwise, just don't. We've also got some thunder and lightning happening here in the U.S. There's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. It looks like a bit of data loss there. Let's take a look at the real-time lightning map. Instead, we've zoomed in on the likely location. Check it out near Dallas there. Just northeast of Dallas, we've got a line of lightning happening. Do we have any active cells? I like to use a real-time lightning map when I hear thunder. It's lightningmaps.org. There you go. Northeast of Little Rock. It would depend on what your definition of the word is. There's thunder propagating in that area. Oh, there we got some activity. Jonesboro, you are in the crosshairs. There is thunder rolling in big time. So some serious storms here happening. It's like spring has sprung in the southern U.S. Anyway, we'll zoom back out here to show you the entire world real-time lightning map. Keep in mind, not all areas are monitored. But let's continue on. To remind you that this video was originally streamed live to Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Sorry about all the tin hat wearing people that are paid millions of dollars a year to put out nonsense. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. We probably won't get banned from Twitter ever. Thanks to our new followers, there's even a poll there. And we want your input. There's only 4 days left on our Twitter poll, twitter.com/smashomash. Follow us over there. Thanks to everybody who has. Also, we're on BitChute. These videos are going on BitChute. Our space weather videos are exclusive to YouTube. If you're watching on BitChute, why haven't you subscribed on YouTube yet? Leave us a comment. Tell us that you subscribed to our YouTube channel from BitChute. I know the platform is a little bit, yeah, I understand. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit, just click on your county at weather.gov. This purple area, that is an ice storm warning. Those orange areas are blizzard warnings, and we've got some severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado watches for a large portion of the country. So check it out, this whole area here experiencing severe thunderstorms as we make the video. Let's hope no tornadoes are showing up. Continuing on. To welcome you to the Neo Renaissance, congratulations on realizing the channel exists. If you'd like to support the channel, please become a member of the Smash team. Did you know my forecasts continue to come true? Only our gold members, our gold level Smash team members, are able to see that post. Gold and silver get the GDAX daily reports. Smashomash.com/Smash team. We replaced Patreon with our own superior website. It's not because of censorship or anything like that. It's just because our own website has better capabilities. We've got a lot more power on our own website than Patreon offers. So thanks everybody who's supported us via our independent operation. We just launched it in October. So thanks to the Smash team for supporting the content, as we're paid just a side of nothing to put the videos on YouTube. That's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. And let's blast through some more data. The U.S. Doppler radar, some heavy precipitation here over southern Alaska, and also over the Denali Range, it looks like there. What a huge state. Let's focus on the lower 48. So a bunch of moisture here over the eastern portion of the U.S. making its way to the northeast. Here's the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with the visible satellite. And here's the water vapor map. That should give you some insight into how this thing is going to move. And we've got an input here of dry massive air kind of giving it a little push. And there's nothing to block it up here, so it's going to have a fairly consistent path to the northeast. It should be fairly predictable. Your Doppler radar shouldn't be too deceptive. Pretty much just going to flow to the northeast, folks. There's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar map. Shortwave radiation map. Showing clouds and fog. And there's the water vapor. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. This has been our meteorology segment, courtesy of the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.